We are on Timberjack, nickel denomination, 1125 bet. It's class 2. If you can tell how it's class 2, I'll let you know. This is going to be big. We're looking for progressives. Minis are $37.50, minors are $112.50, maxi is $750, and the grand is $11,250. I think all of them are in play by how many are ticked up on that screen. Keep it going. Minor, $37.50. Do it again. Yeah, keep it going. Yeah, how about a progressive now? Okay. And ring the bell. That's $120 plus the line pay. So $243 so far. All right, let's go. Land it. She's got the jackpot wheel. Oh, that's pretty good. 362. That's a bunch. Over minor. I kind of like that jackpot wheel. Land one now. Do it. Go. Yes. Crank it up. Oh, this is going to be monstrous. 2 of them with the premium symbol. This is going to be monstrous. Wow. 2, 4. Wow, that's a bunch. All right, big numbers here. She has a $3 bet over there, and it's going to have a whole bunch. Not sure. How many lines is this? 30 lines? $700 so far. Last spin. That's a pretty good bonus over there. All right, are we on the last spin? Last spin. Land a wild. Come on. Oh, that's too bad. But that is a monster. $798. Perfect.